Happy Wednesday, 7th grade. I just thought I would go through a few things today for our lesson. Hope you enjoyed our beautiful 70-degree day yesterday, or close to 70 degrees. I was outside most of the night with my family, so that was wonderful. Just as a review, the last 2 days we've been talking about the circulatory system, otherwise known as the cardiovascular system. So Monday you should have watched a little video and kind of saw the parts, the heart, the veins, the blood, and everything flowing through your body. And yesterday I left you with a little lab, and I wanted to kind of see what you could come up with for your numbers for your pulse. And a lot of you did a great job on that. I'm going to run through that again really quick. So if you were confused yesterday or you didn't get to it, I'm going to show you on my slides here how you can do that. And so still turn it in to me, please, so I can give you credit. So just as review, circulatory system. So I'm going to bring you up to this data table that I left you yesterday. And the yellow ones I want you to do for sure. So some of you did the other ones, but you didn't do the yellow. So sitting, I'm going to take my pulse and I'm going to take it on my wrist. You can also take it up here. So if you watch the video, you should have known that. But sometimes it's really hard to find your pulse, and I get that. But you can take your pulse and count how many times you hear the bump. You should feel your vein, and you should feel that heartbeat on your wrist or on your neck. And I would set a timer for 30 seconds, whatever number you get. So I got like 25. I would multiply that by 2 and get 50 beats per minute. If you don't want to multiply by 2, then you need to take it for 60 seconds. Okay? Anyway, so once I get my numbers, let's say lying down, I was 50 beats per minute. So I'm going to put my 50 in. And I press return. And look at it, graphs it for me. So it should be super easy to work with. And then let's say standing, I was 51 beats per minute. And sitting, I maybe was also just 51. So not a huge difference between laying down, standing, and sitting. And then all of a sudden I start doing jumping jacks. I do those for 2 minutes. And then when I'm done, I take my pulse. And all of a sudden my pulse is up to, let's say, 75. So whatever your numbers were, okay? Running for most of you was your highest, and maybe you were already up to like 120 or whatever beats per minute. Now you're younger than me, so you're not going to have the same numbers as me. And some people just have higher heart rates and lower heart rates, and that's fine. So that was basically what I wanted you to do. And I wanted you to kind of correlate and look at, okay, when I am kind of sitting or laying down or just doing, homework, schoolwork, my heart rate is kind of lower. And then when I go and do something active, I have to pump a lot more blood through my body. So then that's going to go up. So that's what I was hoping that you would find. Now, I didn't get as many responses as I have normally. Normally, I hear from everybody every day or get something turned in. So if you were confused, I want you to go back and still do this assignment for me. Okay, so moving on. Today, we're going to talk about respiratory system, and that is our breathing. Okay, very important. So we breathe through our nose and or mouth, both. And we have a trachea. So that is like our windpipe is what the other word for that is. And then all of that air goes down into our lungs. Okay, so those are your main organs. Okay, we move air into our lungs, and it controls the gas exchange between blood and lungs. So this goes with our circulatory system as well. Those two really work together. All of our organs work together and systems work together, but these two really correlate really nicely. Okay, so in your notes section, if you are taking handwritten notes, which I suggest you do because you can use those on your quizzes, the function or what the respiratory system does, it provides gas exchange. So carbon dioxide and oxygen. We breathe in oxygen and we release carbon dioxide between the blood and the environment. Again, nose, lungs, and trachea are the main organs. So you can go back and write those down after you're done watching the video. If this link doesn't work, don't worry about it, but it is really cool. You've done this link before. You should have done this little website before. So when we go on to here, organs of the human body, you just want to make sure you click on respiratory. And this will show you just kind of the parts here that you can click on. Okay, your diaphragm is actually what moves your lungs. that's kind of cool. So you can kind of play around with that. And then I have another brain pop today. But after your brain pop, I want you to take the quiz that's on brain pop. So you're going to click on here. You're going to go to brain pop. You're going to watch this video. Oh, I was logged out. So if you have to log in, I gave you the code again. If you are in Google Chrome, you should be good to go. I want you to take the brain pop quiz. Even if you don't get them all right, it will tell you what the right answer is. So I just like that you get instant feedback. Okay, and then you're going to fill out the form today and let me know how you did. And I'm just going to give you points for participating and going through everything. So hope you have a great day today. And again, if you did not get your lab done yesterday, I want you to do that quick today. It shouldn't take you that long. So, all right, have a good day.